Welcome to the Enerpac distributor sales training for sink grip pullers. A puller is a tool to remove an object, such as a bearing, bushing, or gear, that has been press-fitted on a shaft or into a housing. There are two types of pullers, either a hydraulic puller, which is shown in the picture on the left, or a mechanical puller, shown in the picture on the right. The hydraulic puller uses a hydraulic cylinder along with a pump to extend force. The mechanical style uses a box wrench to apply the force. There are many industries and applications out there that have a need for pullers. Look around when you are out visiting your customers and you will start to see where pullers can be used. Some of those industries are shown on the left: paper and aluminum plants, the aerospace industry, the railroad industry, and the mining industry. The picture on the bottom right shows a mining application that uses a puller. There are many customers out there today that are cutting off their bearings, heating or torching components that need to be removed, or hammering parts in order to remove them. These are all alternative solutions to pullers. However, none of them are safe. Using pullers allows the user to have a more controlled, higher force pull. This prevents damaging the part being removed or other components in the assembly. The Enerpac pulling portfolio includes 3 series. The BHP series is only available as a hydraulic configuration. The Posilock or EP series is available in both mechanical and hydraulic configurations. The SG or sink grip series is also available in both mechanical and hydraulic configurations. The SG design allows the synchronized movement of all the jaws. The synchronous features of the SGM and SGA series pullers makes positioning the puller simple. When one jaw is closed around the bearing surface, the others automatically close at the same time. This allows the puller to remain in the correct position when force is applied. The synchronous design helps improve productivity as setup is quicker and easier. The SG design also has adjustable reach. Models 10 ton and below can be configured in either a 2-jaw or 3-jaw configuration. The sink grip pullers are available in master puller sets with optional pump configurations. When specifying a puller for your customer's application, there are 3 key items to consider: reach, spread, and tonnage. We recommend using the 3-jaw configuration. If space does not allow, 2-jaw configuration can be used. The puller's reach must equal or exceed the same distance on the part. The puller spread is the width of the part. Generally, if you already have the correct reach and spread, you will also have the proper tonnage. If in doubt, use the next larger puller size. It is impossible to predict the exact force needed for every pulling situation. The amount of press fit and force of removal can vary greatly between jobs. The setup requirements, along with the size, shape, and condition of the parts being pulled, are variables which must be considered. A general rule when choosing a puller with the proper tonnage for manual pullers is that the spindle should be at least half the diameter of the shaft on the pulling job. For a hydraulic puller, the maximum tonnage capacity should be 7 to 10 times the diameter of the shaft on the pulling job. To recap, there are many industrial uses for pullers out there today. Think of where electric motors are being used. They require frequent maintenance. The picture on the left is a generator bearing housing, and the picture on the right is a coupler on the drive shaft of a fracking pump. The typical customer that will be using sink grip pullers will be an individual in the maintenance shop, such as a maintenance technician in multiple industries, or a mechanic in a heavy industry, such as rail, that needs to remove a wheel or bearing. So when you're out there with your customers, look for applications where pullers can be used.